How to make picture look vintage on Canva. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your Canva application. The next thing will be going to the left hand side of your screen and clicking on create a design, and then you want to go to the search bar and type A4 because the size I want this to be in is the A4, so you want to tap on it. And now the next thing you want to do is to head over to your elements, then go to the search bar in elements and type in old paper. I'll go ahead and select the most suitable old paper for this video, and this is the old paper I went with. Now you want to make sure you resize it to suit the page. Now after that, you want to tap on upload so you can upload the picture you want to change into vintage. And the next thing would be fitting the picture also into the page. Now you want to go to the top of your screen and tap on background remover to remove the background of this particular image. Now you want to go to the top of your screen and tap on edit. Now the next thing would be going to effects. Now under effects, you want to tap on duotone. Then also you want to go to cherry and tap on it. Now we need some color changes for the image to look vintage, so you want to go to highlights, click on the pen icon so you can draw out colors from the background. Now for highlights, you want to choose the lighter part of the background, and then for the shadows, you are going to be choosing the darker parts of the background. Now you want to go to do the same thing, go to shadows, pick out the pen icon, pick the darker part of the background, and then you want to apply it. Now the next thing is to click on edit again, and then you want to go to adjust. Now you are going to be reducing the brightness, and then you want to increase the contrast. Now it depends on your picture. For me, for this, I like to use 30 of brightness and 70 of contrast. Now the next thing to finalize this vintage piece would be going to your elements again, and then you're going to be typing Grinch overlay. Now go ahead to select the most suitable for this piece. Now something that will bring everything together to look vintage, and then I'm going to resize it to suit my page. Now the next thing is to change the color. Now this is in black, but you want colors that suit your background, so I'm going to be going for something that suits this background so this piece can come together. And guys, this is exactly how you can make a picture look vintage in Canva. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.